Hi and welcome to DSF, and today we have here the new GAC EMKOO. This is a Corolla Cross HRV competitor, and there are two variants on offer in Malaysia soon, the Premium and Premium Pro, with prices starting from around 120 to 130,000. But between you and me, I think they might lower it to about 100 and 110 just to compete against the likes of the Proton X50 and Cherry Motor 5. So one of the major USPs with this car will obviously be its styling, because look at it, it's quite striking. It's full of sharp edges and it's something that comes out from Tron basically. You've got really sharp taillights, quite a cool rear spoiler, really interesting lower diffuser, and around the side we've got massive 19-inch wheels as standard. And things actually look even more dramatic up front with what looks like a Renault-inspired front end. And this is quite a coincidence because GAC is brought in by the same company as Renault, Tan Chong. So now you join me inside the GAC EMKOO, and generally this is the size of a mid-sized SUV. Leather is plush, seats are comfortable, and the general interior vibe is one of the same modernity as it is outside. We've got some very striking door handles, which is pull to release. But there's also some old school charm here where there's a USB-A port down there. And while the screens are quite big, they're not the largest in class, although the interior is actually quite still a modern vibe overall. Interesting thing to note, rear armrest, optional for the base spec and only standard on the high spec. The seats do recline. There are two levels of recline for the rear seats, and we still have the usual semi-buckets for the front, as is common with all Chinese crossovers these days. Okay, one final quick thing about the GAC EMKOO is that what comes under the hood. And under the hood is a 1.5-litre turbocharged 4-cylinder with 177 PS and 218 Nm of torque. Respectable numbers in this category. Gearbox is a 7-speed wet clutch unit, and of course this is front-wheel drive. But the one rather impressive thing about the GAC EMKOO is that around the rear it has multi-link suspension, so it should handle better than anything in this category actually, because all of the rest are all torsion beam. So the new GAC EMKOO should be in showrooms for the next couple of months. Stay tuned to DSF for more information, and we will bring you live updates when it eventually launches in Malaysia. Stay tuned!